As we age, our bodies naturally start to lose muscle, a condition called sarcopenia. It can start as early as your 40s and accelerate after 60. That means less strength, slower balance, and sometimes even more fatigue or joint pain. The good news is, it is never too late to rebuild muscle. All it takes is a little movement and the right kind of fuel, especially protein-rich foods that are easy to digest and easy on your budget. A 2019 study from McMaster University found that even people in their 70s and 80s gained lean muscle with the right combination of protein and light exercise. Now let's dive into our list of 10 cheap foods that beat eggs for muscle building after 60. Number 10. Lentils. Lentils might be small, but they are incredibly powerful for building muscle. 1 cup of cooked lentils provides about 18 grams of protein, more than 3 eggs. They're also packed with iron, potassium, and fiber. These nutrients help carry oxygen to your muscles, support circulation, and prevent fatigue. Lentils are rich in leucine, an amino acid that directly signals your body to build muscle. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition shows that meals high in leucine can increase muscle protein synthesis by up to 25% in older adults. Another study in Nutrients found that older adults who ate lentils and other legumes several times a week maintained stronger leg muscles and reported fewer falls. Once you know how powerful lentils are, it's easy to see why they belong in your weekly meals. They cook quickly in about 20 minutes, cost just pennies per serving, and can be added to soups, stews, salads, or even veggie patties. Regularly including lentils can help maintain muscle strength, boost energy, and support healthy aging, all with simple, affordable ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Number 9. Chickpeas. Also known as garbanzo beans, chickpeas are a plant-based protein powerhouse. 1 cup of cooked chickpeas provides about 15 grams of protein, along with magnesium, zinc, folate, and fiber. These nutrients not only support muscle repair, but also help your nerves and muscles work properly, keeping you strong and energized throughout the day. Research shows their benefits are backed by science. A 2020 review in Nutrients found that magnesium deficiency is linked to reduced muscle performance in older adults. Another study in the Journal of Nutrition reported that diets rich in chickpeas help seniors improve physical performance and reduce fatigue. That means chickpeas don't just build muscle, they help your muscles function better too. And compared to eggs, chickpeas give you lasting energy without cholesterol or added fat. They're easy to use in everyday meals. Roast them for a crunchy snack, blend them into hummus, or toss them into soups, curries, or salads. Including chickpeas regularly can support muscle strength, boost energy, and promote healthy aging, all without breaking the bank. Number 8. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a simple food, with powerful benefits for muscle and overall health. 1 cup provides 17 to 20 grams of protein, mostly in the form of fast-digesting whey. This makes it perfect after a walk or light workout, helping your muscles recover quickly. It's also rich in calcium for strong bones and probiotics for a healthy gut and immune system. Strong digestion means your body can actually use the protein you eat, maximizing its benefits. Studies published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition show that older adults who regularly consume dairy proteins like yogurt have better muscle retention, improved muscle density, and a lower risk of sarcopenia. That means Greek yogurt doesn't just feed your muscles, it helps keep them strong as you age. It's one of the few everyday foods that can match, or even outperform eggs for quick, high-quality protein. Choose plain Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars Then top it with fruit, oats, or nuts for a balanced, tasty meal or snack. Including it regularly can support muscle strength, aid recovery, and promote healthy aging. Number 7. Canned tuna or salmon. Fish is one of the best protein sources for seniors, and canned tuna or salmon makes it simple, affordable, and convenient. Just a 3-ounce serving provides around 22 grams of high-quality protein, plus omega-3 fatty acids, that help reduce inflammation, support heart health, and keep your brain sharp. These healthy fats also improve muscle function, making fish a true multitasker for healthy aging. A 2015 study found that omega-3 supplementation increased muscle protein synthesis by 30% in older adults when combined with moderate resistance training. Another study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that seniors who regularly ate omega-3 rich fish had greater muscle mass and stronger grip strength. Canned fish is shelf-stable, easy to store, and ready to eat in minutes. Mix tuna with Greek yogurt for a quick lunch, mash salmon into salads, or bake it for dinner a couple of times a week. Including fish regularly can help maintain muscle strength, support joint and brain health, and keep you energized as you age. Number 6. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese might look plain, but it's a true muscle-building powerhouse. 1 cup provides around 25 to 28 grams of high-quality protein, most of it casein, a slow-digesting protein that keeps your muscles fed for hours, even while you sleep. That's almost twice as much protein as 2 eggs, making it one of the most efficient muscle foods you can eat. Research shows just how effective it is. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who consumed casein before bed built more lean muscle overnight, compared to those who didn't. It's easy to include in your evening routine. Try a small bowl with berries, a spoon of honey, or some nuts for extra antioxidants and healthy fats. Eating cottage cheese regularly can help maintain muscle strength, support recovery, and keep your body energized for the next day. Number 5. Oats. You might think of oats as just a carb, but they're actually a muscle-friendly food. Half a cup provides about 5 grams of protein, along with essential minerals like iron and zinc. They're also high in fiber, which supports heart health and helps stabilize blood sugar for steady energy throughout the day. Research backs their benefits for older adults. A 2022 study from Tufts University found that seniors with balanced blood sugar had better muscle mass and experienced less fatigue than those with frequent sugar spikes. That means oats can help your muscles stay strong while keeping your energy consistent. When paired with milk or peanut butter, a bowl of oats gives you as much usable protein as a couple of eggs, but with added fiber and steady energy. For a complete protein-rich meal, cook oats with milk or Greek yogurt, and add peanut butter, chia seeds, or banana for extra flavor and nutrients. Starting your day with oats can support muscle health, energy, and overall wellness, all in a simple, affordable breakfast. Number 4. Chicken thighs. Chicken doesn't have to be expensive to be effective for building muscle. Chicken thighs are usually cheaper than breast meat, but a modest 4-ounce serving still delivers about 30 grams of high-quality protein, including all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build new muscle tissue. Each serving offers more complete protein than 2 large eggs, along with rich flavor and lasting fullness. Research shows the power of lean poultry. A 2018 clinical trial in older adults found that combining resistance training with lean poultry intake led to greater muscle strength than exercise alone. Another study in the Journal of Nutrition, Health and Aging showed that older adults who consumed lean poultry regularly maintained more muscle and better mobility. Chicken thighs stay tender, are harder to overcook than breast meat, and are perfect for batch cooking. Grill, roast, or add them to soups, and pair with vegetables and whole grains for a complete, recovery-friendly meal. Including chicken thighs regularly can help maintain muscle strength, support recovery, and keep meals both affordable and satisfying. Number 3. Sardines. Small but mighty, sardines are one of the cheapest and most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. Just one can provide around 20 grams of protein, plus omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, and vitamin D, all essential for strong muscles and bones. Since you eat the soft bones, sardines are particularly good for maintaining bone density and reducing fracture risk. And unlike eggs, sardines give you both protein and calcium in one bite. Research supports their benefits. Studies published in Nutrients show that omega-3s from small fish improve muscle quality and help control inflammation, especially in adults over 60. A 2-year study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who regularly ate omega-3-rich fish like sardines maintained stronger grip strength and better balance. Sardines are versatile and easy to use. Try them on whole grain toast, mix them into salads or pasta, or enjoy them straight from the can. They're shelf-stable, affordable, and a quick way to boost protein, healthy fats, and minerals in your diet. Number 2. Beans. Black beans, kidney beans, and navy beans are all excellent and affordable sources of plant-based protein. 1 cup gives you around 15 grams of protein, along with plenty of fiber, to support digestion and keep your energy steady. They are also rich in iron, which helps carry oxygen to your muscles, so they can perform efficiently and recover faster. Scientific research supports their benefits. A 2021 meta-analysis found that diets higher in legumes were linked to better muscle maintenance and a lower risk of frailty in older adults. Soy-based beans such as edamame also stand out. Research in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition showed that soy proteins helped improve muscle mass in seniors. Beans are easy to include in everyday meals. Cook a large batch at the start of the week, and use them in soups, burritos, salads, or chili. You can buy them dry in bulk for just a few dollars, and they will last for weeks. Simple, filling, and powerful, beans are one of the best budget-friendly foods for maintaining muscle strength. Beans might not seem like a traditional protein source, but beans can support muscle growth just as effectively as eggs when eaten regularly. Number 1. Peanut butter. Yes, really. Peanut butter earns the top spot for being simple, affordable, and surprisingly effective for muscle health. 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter provide around 8 grams of protein, along with healthy fats that help your body absorb important vitamins like A, D, and E. These fats also help maintain steady energy, making peanut butter a great choice if you have a smaller appetite. 2 tablespoons give you nearly the same protein as an egg, plus healthy fats that keep you energized much longer. Research supports its benefits. A study in clinical nutrition found that older adults who regularly consumed moderate amounts of nut-based fats had higher muscle mass and better physical performance than those who avoided them. That means something as simple as a spoonful of peanut butter can make a real difference over time. Enjoy it on whole grain toast, blend it into smoothies, or stir it into oatmeal for extra protein. Just choose the natural kind with only peanuts and salt, no added sugar or oils. Here's the big takeaway. After 60, your body still has the ability to build muscle, but it needs steady support. That means getting enough protein at every meal, around 25 to 40 grams, and spreading it throughout the day. You do not need fancy supplements or complicated diets. Just real, affordable foods that work together to keep you strong. Start your morning with oats and peanut butter, or a bowl of Greek yogurt. Have tuna or chickpeas for lunch, and enjoy chicken thighs or lentil stew for dinner. A small bowl of cottage cheese before bed can help your muscles recover overnight. These simple meals can rebuild strength, improve balance, and boost your energy, no matter your age. Muscle loss after 60 is not something you have to accept. You can reverse it with the right nutrition and consistency. Keep moving, eat smart, and give your body what it needs to thrive. You can stay strong, active, and independent for many years to come, one good meal at a time. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more science-based health tips made simple.